Okay, so a couple of minutes, for a couple of seconds, you can see some raindrops coming, and this will be also saved as rain interruption because I have nothing to shoot something great, and you can see this is spreading a lot. Okay, the sound is coming loud over. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness me. Okay. The raindrops are going straight away, and then you can see the voice. You can understand better. Okay. And the weather is continuously coming, continuously coming. Oh my god. I need to run away from this place. Oh my goodness me. So anyways, let's end of this video and continue with the recording continues. Why I'm just lagging? Because I'm not in the open space to talk with you. That's why I'm talking silently with you. Bye guys.